What's good, everybody? This is Rob back with another video. Now, I'm here with the Nokia 9 Pureview. Now, everybody knows the Nokia Pureview. If you've been following my channel, one of my biggest gripes about this phone is the in-display fingerprint sensor. Well, according to Android Police, the Nokia Pureview is getting a display fingerprint scanner update. Now, according to the Chief Product Officer of HMD, Huho Sarvakas, I hope I'm not butchering the name, he tweeted that the updates are now available in most regions. Now, one thing I thought I was going to have to do is, because normally the US and North America are last when it comes to getting updates, I was going to have to pretty much run this little trick where I would download a VPN and move my location to a country that may be getting the update and kind of trick my phone into getting the update earlier. But it doesn't appear I have to do that because the update is hitting North America, at least where I'm at. So real quick, I'm going to show you the fingerprint display, give you an example of some of the problems I've been having. As you can see, it says not recognized, not recognized. Took me a couple of tries. So hopefully the update will help make this a little bit more consistent than what it's been. That's pretty much one of the fastest times I've been getting in, so I was pretty shocked getting in on a third try. Now, one thing you will have to do after getting this update, you're going to have to redo the fingerprint. So what you would, once you get the update, what you would want to do is go back in, delete your previous fingerprints, and then redo them all over again. Installation will begin automatically when the device is idle. The size of the update is about 250 megabytes, and that's pretty much it. So you can put it on a charger while it's updating. It does come with a security patch for April. So right now I'm going to go ahead, run the update. I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to go through the process of deleting the fingerprint and then re-establishing a new fingerprint and check out how much more reliable is the in-display fingerprint sensor. So give me 1 second. All right, now some time done passed. The update is complete. Now, next step would be to go back into your phone and erase your other fingerprint that you have on the phone and restart the entire process all over again. So let me go ahead and take care of that. Go inside security, fingerprint, and the right thumb, which is what I had on there. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. So it has been deleted. Let's start. Here's the instructions. Now it says lift, then touch again. Press your finger on the sensor until you feel a slight vibration, which is what I did before. It's telling me to try different positions. Okay, and what I'm trying to do is press down hard enough where I can get a haptic feedback to it. But I am applying a lot of pressure for that haptic feedback. I'm trying to rotate my fingers in various positions. Now I'm about to go around. This is what I normally do with Samsung phones. Try to get every possible angle. Okay, it says I'm done. I'm going to call this my right thumb. I like to label them. Later on I'll go back in and do a left hand one. All right, let's check it out and see if there's any improvement. Pretty cool, I like that. I'm gonna need some time to test it, but it looks like there is an improvement to the fingerprint display. I'm gonna use this over the next week and let you know. What I am noticing, I do not have to press as hard on the display as I've done when I first got this phone. So Nokia may have possibly fix its in-display fingerprint sensor problem. So thumbs up to Nokia. Anybody out there, be on the lookout for this update. Please add it to your phone. If you need improvement in your fingerprint display, whether you need it or not, it's going to make it better. So go right ahead, look for it, find it. Again, if it's not in your region, here's a quick tip. Download a VPN, move to a region where you know there's the update at, and download it from that way. Let me know if that works. Please leave that comments down below if that did work for you, if that little bit of advice. Other than that, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and again, share it out to your social media to those who have Nokia 9 Pureview. Let them know that the fingerprint display sensor has been improved. Again, thank you everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.